Hi friends, I am Wasif Shokat. Welcome to my channel WS Tech. Today's video's topic is how to install Kali Linux in VMware Workstation. First, go to the website kali.org. Select the platform which you want to download Kali Linux. Select virtual machine. Then select your system's configuration 32-bit or 64-bit. Now download VMware version of the Kali Linux by using torrent or direct download. I'm showing you the direct download way. I'm cancelling the download because I have already downloaded it. Just go to the folder where you downloaded the file and extract it. You can use 7-zip free software to do it. Now open the folder and open the file .vmx file. With extension .vmx file, open it and your workstation, VMware Workstation will open. It will show you the virtual machine. Now just click on power on virtual machine and it will start. On login screen, use username and password Kali. Your Kali Linux is ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.